Hey, I'm Nick from Northern Brewer, and this is the Brew, Share, Enjoy Starter Kit. Brew, Share, Enjoy Starter Kit is one of the most popular, if not the most popular starter kit that we sell here at Northern Brewer. And the reason it's so popular is it really has everything to get you going and start brewing immediately. Everything from ingredients to boil kettles, fermenters, bottling buckets, and all the equipment and instructions to get you going from day one. The Brew, Share, Enjoy makes 5 gallons of beer or 48 bottles. Northern Brewer's been around for almost 30 years, and in that time we have sold a lot of starter kits. And that knowledge really has shown us what people need and what they don't need to get started. So the Brew, Share, Enjoy is really the epitome of all of that knowledge. We've streamlined this kit to the bare essentials that you need to absolutely get brewing and making great beer, and none of the stuff that you don't need that's just add-on, that just adds cost, bloat, and complexity, right? So this has all the ingredients, all the equipment that you need, as well as all the instructions to get you there. And if you have any questions or concerns, give us a shout. Our customer service team is here 7 days a week to help you out. The one thing that this starter kit does not include is 48 bottles to bottle up this batch of beer that everything here you see will make. We do sell bottles here at Northern Brewer. We've made a video on that. You can probably find it if you just search beer bottles in the top search bar on this page. Otherwise, this has literally everything you need to get going, from ingredients to boiling all the way through bottling. Again, this is the BSE, the best starter kit that you can give to yourself or to the beer lover in your life.